Hey everyone, today is a big day. Not only am I 6 years sober as of yesterday, I have some big announcements to make about this channel. So a year ago I started this channel. I didn't really have a vision. It was more of an exercise to see if I had the guts to get outside of my comfort zone, put my face out there in front of the world. I did not attempt to grow the channel. I did no keyword research. I didn't even really know who my target audience was. But over the past year, I've tried several different formats: scripted, unscripted, formal, informal, voiceovers, you name it, I've tried it. I've even tried with various subject matter. But after contemplating quitting this channel and then re-evaluating that decision, I think I've developed more of a vision about what I want this channel to be about, what I want to focus on, and who my target audience is. So the other day I went out and I made a video about what these changes are going to be. I hope that you stick around, find out what they are. I look forward to hearing what your thoughts are. But in the meantime, I'm going to go for a quick ride. Hey everybody, it's Jess. About the time that I was considering quitting this channel, before that I wanted to change the name of the channel, but I didn't quite know what to change it to that would resonate with people, but still was true to my mission, so to speak. Now for some people, the word recovery might have a stigma associated with it. It's not that recovery is not a part of my story. It always will be. I don't feel like I'm recovering. I do feel like I am recovered, but I do the work of recovery to stay that way. However, I want this channel to be for everybody. I want to inspire everybody to get outside and experience adventure. So that was the main reason that I decided to change the name of this channel. Starting today, you will see the new intro and the new logo. So I'd like to be the first to welcome you to Sound Mind Adventures. Now to give you a little bit of backstory on why it's called Sound Mind Adventures. Back in 2014, I created a webpage/blog called ofasoundmind.com, and that slowly evolved into Recovery Through Adventure. And now Recovery Through Adventure has evolved into Sound Mind Adventures, which means through adventure, through experiencing the great outdoors, we can reap the benefits of a sound mind. And there you go. And I'm super excited about what the future holds for this channel, for me, for you. Just exciting all around. Now, the one thing about Sound Mind Adventures is it's going to be true to what I call adventure, which is not just moto camping. I enjoy hiking, as you can see. I enjoy traditional camping. I enjoy travel. I enjoy mountain biking. Pretty much anything that makes me feel alive in the great outdoors. I'm excited. I hope you are too. I figured this was the best time to make this change. A new title, a new logo, fresh new attitude. More people will be attracted to the channel and be inspired like I am. All right, everybody. I gotta pick up the pace a little bit, get back to the truck, running a little bit late. So for now, I'm gonna sign off, and I'll see you on the next one.